welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to show you how you can make an intro for your videos, and if you are a YouTuber you also like see other people make their intro so much amazing than quality of that. They are very good quality of what to say intro in the beginning of this video. You can also create that, and you think that it's very complicated to create it, then you are wrong, because it takes only 2 minutes to create that. I also create my intro by the help of one website. This known as or called Tensor website. It's a very good website, and I also make lots of intro by the help of that website. Also for my friends who are YouTubers, I also get for them, and they like that the amazing quality by the help of that website. You can use that, and I like 3 things about that website. First thing is that this is completely free. So the first thing is that it's completely free, and second thing is also about that how it's free. And it's not taking any kind of charge and trial like other website will take you, saying that we are giving you 1 month trial and 2 month trial, but first of all you have to pay something to us, then you can cancel in the future. But it's not like that website. And the third thing which I like about most that website is that it also not give you lots of advertisements or pop-up on screen like the website do, and not that kind of thing. Just register on that, and then you will get the our video and any kind of watermark on that video. It's completely good quality of video, and you can choose the quality which you want in your videos. And if you did not subscribe my channel till now, subscribe it now. I make tech related videos this kind. So let's move on to my PC, and I show you how I created my own intro. So let's begin that.
So friends, first of all go on to your browser which you have using. So for example I am using the Chrome, and just I am simply going to Chrome and typing the website. So go on that website, and there you find lots of intros, and choose anyone which you want to use. I am using that intro. So after choosing that, you can just view that how is the quality of that intro. So the intros look like that, as you can see on your screen. So I like it. So then what you have to do, you can choose everything you want to change in that intro, every color in that intro. The length of this intro is 10.3 seconds, as you can see. You can increase or decrease it. And type your channel name at your name. So my channel name is Rajat Nagar. I am typing here Rajat Nagar. So then hit enter, and after that it will be saved. That's look damn cool. After this, choose the quality which you want. Like quality, I like the good quality, and choose format which support by your editor, and then wait till it edit. It depends on your processor speed. Actually I am using the i7 7th generation, that's why it did it fast. Then download it. And then enjoy your new intro.
So friends, as you see in this video, it's very easy to create, and there are lots of means more than 10,000. They have the intros. You can choose which one you want to like, and there are lots of intros. Few of them are bad in quality, but lots of are good in quality. You can choose it from these, and it's very amazing. And you can also get the end screen intro from that website also. It's very good website, check it out. And if you like my work and if you like my videos, that kind of video you want in your future, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and like my video. If you like the audio quality of my video and video quality of my video, then like it down. And if you have any kind of query till now, then comment down below. So thanks for watching guys, peace.